Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best Jeep lift kit brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is TrueTwo Jeep Wrangler Suspension Lift Kit. They're called the Budget Boosts, and it's easy to see why. This 2.5-inch coil spacer is just perfect for those who want to give their Jeeps a more aggressive look without being too aggressive on the pocket. These lift kits are made of premium quality polyurethane that can be easily used with your Jeep's stock suspension or even added onto a handful of aftermarket Jeep Wrangler lift kits. What's great about these truck lift kits is that they can be easily removed to return your Jeep to its original or stock suspension, just in case you don't like how it rides. At least, you'll get to experience how it feels to ride higher than other motorists. Besides, it's not very common that you get Jeep Cherokee lift kits this inexpensive. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rough Country's 653/20 Suspension Lift System. With premium quality N3 shock absorbers and uniquely engineered progressive rate coil springs, this is one of the best Jeep lift kits you can ever get, especially if you are not going to go for tires larger than 31 inches. These truck lift kits still come with Rough Country's patented easy bolt-on installation, although it fits trucks and off-roaders with 6-cylinder engines only. Nevertheless, you'll love the ride quality this suspension lift system will give you, allowing you to feel more confident with every track you want to conquer. The progressive rate coil springs are what give you the confidence every time you take your Jeep for a spin. You've got an elevated ride, but with a stable and secure platform. It's smooth whether you're on potholed city streets or rock-laden dirt tracks. Number 3. Our third best pick is the American Automotive Wrangler JK Full 3-inch Lift Kit. This quality and affordable lift kit will raise your Jeep 3 inches. It is compatible with up to 35-inch tires. The kit requires a simple bolt-on installation process. It comes with 2 steel front coil spring spacers, 2 steel rear lift spacers, 2 front and rear shock mount extenders, 2 front and rear brake line brackets, hardware, and installation instructions. This kit is compatible with the 2007-2018 Wrangler JK, 2WD, and 4WD and the 2007-2018 Wrangler Unlimited JK, 2WD, and 4WD. The biggest problem with this kit is that it doesn't come with sway bars. You will need these, so expect to buy them separately. Your brake extensions may not work with the kit, so you'll need to replace them. Many users also replace the hardware with more durable options. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KSPJL Leveling 2 5-inch Lift Kits. This durable and strong suspension kit is designed to be compatible with the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler, both 2WD and 4WD. The kit is made of high-quality carbon steel to make each component thicker. The kit stands out because it has passed both compression and impact tests. If you are experienced, you'll find the kit easy to disassemble and install. You only need basic hand tools to install it. Another standout feature is the metal spacers, which won't collapse like rubber ones. It also comes with new sway bars to address the new angles. Unfortunately, this kit may result in rubbing if you have 35-inch or larger tires. However, this mainly happens when you do extreme articulation. The instructions are also extremely confusing, so it isn't great for first-timers. You may find it hard to fit the isolators onto the spacers due to the added bumps on the isolator that don't line up to anything on the spacers. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Liftcraft 3-inch Spring Spacers Lift Kit. They're not only very easy to install, but these spring spacers also give your ride the kind of height it needs to hurdle any obstacle on your path without making any painstaking modifications to your vehicle. It won't hurt your pocket, either. These Delrin-engineered spacers are sure to last as long as your vehicle, perhaps even longer, while still affording some form of dimensional stability. The 3-inch Jeep lift kits are perfect for cash-strapped modders who simply want their ride to look a lot more awesome than it already is by allowing them to mount the largest possible tires that can fit into their lifted Jeeps. It's a simple and cost-efficient way to pimp your Jeep without sacrificing ride quality. Liftcraft suspension lift and leveling kits are designed to offer a safe and easy way to improve the look of your truck and run larger diameter wheels and tires without compromising your vehicle's ride quality. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.